Wait, stop scrolling. If you got a notification for a free laptop, a tablet, or a brand new smartphone, would you click it? Most people would scroll past, but the people who stop and watch this video for the next 3 minutes, they're gonna be the ones winning. That's right, I'm talking about real physical gadgets, laptops for work, tablets for entertainment, and smartphones to keep you connected. And the best part? You don't have to buy a single thing. You just have to know where to look. All of this happens inside a massive giveaway community. To get in, you need to visit the hub, www.freelaptopinfo.com. When you get there, you'll find 3 specific sections. You click on laptop, tablet, or phone, and that's where you'll find the applications to win. Joining is simple. Once you're on the site, you'll see that to be eligible, you just need to follow a few simple steps. Follow our social media pages, join the specific Facebook groups for the gadget you want, and just participate in the community. It takes 2 minutes. And this isn't some small contest. We have a community of almost 150,000 members. Look at these numbers. The free tablet giveaway group is over 75,000 strong. The laptop group has 45,000 members. Even the newer smartphone group is already at 12,000. These are real people just like you, all trying to win. Now, if you want to drastically increase your chances of winning, you need to be active. Here's the secret sauce. Share 3 giveaway posts every day. Like and comment on the posts you see, invite your friends to join, and here's a big one, go to the website and read 3 articles daily, then submit your giveaway application and send a screenshot proving you did it. The more you do, the more you stand out. How are winners picked? It's transparent. From each group, laptop, tablet, and phone, we select 5 to 6 potential winners. These people get a direct message with simple final tasks to verify they're real and active. The first ones to complete those simple tasks are crowned the final winners. We do this every single month. Every month, this community gives away 1 smartphone, 1 tablet, and 1 laptop. Sometimes if we hit big milestones, we throw in extra gadgets. The rules are simple. Follow the pages, join the groups, share the posts, and invite your friends. Breaking the rules means breaking your chance to win. We don't keep you waiting forever. Possible winners are announced every 10 days. And once you're verified, your gadget ships within 15 days. It's that fast. Want to stay on top of every single drop? Join our Telegram channel. It's the best way to get daily updates and instant notifications so you never miss a chance to apply. Look, 150,000 people are already in. Don't be the person who watches someone else unbox a free laptop next month because you didn't click the link. It takes less time than scrolling through memes. Here is your task. 1. Visit www.freelaptopinfo.com right now. 2. Like this video and drop a comment saying which gadget you want, laptop, tablet, or phone. 3. Share this video with 2 friends who need a win. Message us to get the giveaway info. I'll see you in the winner's circle.